Hello from the Storm 5 Weather Center. I'm News Channel 5 meteorologist Kelly Cox. Look for lots of sunshine across the area along with low humidity. That drier air also means that we're going to see cooler mornings and cooler evenings out there, and it's just going to feel more comfortable all day long. Dry air, just a few clouds mainly in our southern areas today, and no showers that really develop. We'll also see a mostly clear night overnight and another easy day on Monday. Now we do see a little bit more heat and a little bit more moisture working its way back in, but still we're just going to see a few clouds and comfortable temperatures. By noon we're looking good, a few more clouds into the afternoon, and we do climb into the upper 80s on Monday, but I think we will stay shy of that 90-degree mark. 87 today, mostly sunny, dry air, sunshine, northeast winds at 10 miles per hour, adding a breeze. Just a fantastic day. And your pollen still stays in check. We're going to be at a 4.7 on a scale of 1 to 12, so kind of medium low with grass being the main pollen. Over the next 7 days, we do slowly warm back up with moisture creeping back in. So enjoy today and tonight with a low of 63. We'll be back to near 90 on Tuesday. Small rain chance Wednesday, a little better chance for it on Thursday, but the best chance going to be Friday as a cold front pushes in. Friday and Friday night, a 50% chance of rain both time periods. That is your full 7-day forecast. Thanks for stopping by News Channel 5, and I hope you have a great end to your weekend.